Don't blink. Don't even blink. Blink and you're dead. They're fast. Faster than you can believe. Don't turn your back. Don't look away. And don't blink. Don't Blink is an iconic and super creepy episode of the BBC show Doctor Who. It features the simplest of creatures, one that strikes terror into the viewer and essentially challenges their entire worldview. Today, we make our own, ultra-simple, weeping angel. We're going to start our project with this angel tree topper that I found at the Salvation Army. She's perfect for this project because she's got solid wings. And you know I do everything on the cheap. I only paid $1.99 for her. I removed all the beads, all the extra lace, all the other accoutrements, and got her posed in the position that was appropriate. The dress was a little too fluffy for the design I was looking for. Underneath is this plastic cone. So what I did is I went ahead and sprayed this with some spray adhesive and then went ahead and wrapped the dress around the cone on the outside with some rubber bands, therefore creating a much more streamlined look for our weeping angel. She'll now look a lot more like the statues seen in the television show. With the rubber bands removed, it was just a simple matter of spray painting her with some gray textured spray paint. And we got this awesome stone look. The natural texture and shadows that type of paint creates really makes those wings pop. You can see they look a lot more realistic, like a statue would look, than they did originally. Even the upper arms of the angel, which were made out of a cotton type of material, solidified nicely under that stone textured paint. So it gave it a lot more structure, and you can't even tell that those were originally cotton. When I found this angel, I was very happy that I was able to find one with solid wings, again to give it a more statuesque appearance instead of one that had fabric or material wings. I think it definitely adds to the realism of this little prop. Overall, I'm very happy with the way that my little weeping angel turned out. The nice thing about this project is, because of the design of the weeping angels, you can use a little bit of liberties and design it your own way, as long as it has that traditional don't blink pose. Anyway, if you enjoyed this project, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to check us out on Instagram. We're new there. Check us out, see what we're up to throughout the week. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.